everybody, this is Scott from the Corvette channel. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about a product called Shine Armor. It's something that I've been using in my car for a long time, and the company just recently reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review of their product, and I said sure, absolutely. So this happens to be the interior spray that has UV blockers in it. It also has anti-static in it, so it's really good for your car. And it goes on really easy, wipes off real easy, doesn't leave any smearing, but leaves a really nice finish. And I'm going to show you how that's done here. All right, so you're just going to spray a little bit on the door here like so, and then you're just going to follow it with a towel. Wipe it down, and it just gives it a nice sheen. It's not overly shiny, but it makes it look nice and fresh, just like as if it was new. Stuff also smells really nice. I don't like being able to have any spray hitting my windshield or getting all over the screens and things like that. So I spray it on I just spray some on my towel, and then I go ahead and I wipe it down. It's like that. Okay, and this still gives you a really nice shine. As you probably can see that on camera, but it's not just the shine. It gets rid of all of the dust, and and it has, like I was saying, it has the anti-static built into it, so it literally doesn't come back for a while, and it's nice. The dust just kind of repels, and so you can wipe it on your steering wheel. You know, be careful, you don't want to make it too slick, obviously, but it works really good to be able to get onto when it's on your towel and you do this. It's just taking and dusting really nice. It gets rid of all the dust in the car, and it looks good, it smells good, and as you can see here, it just gets rid of everything, makes it nice and fresh, makes it look new. So if you guys want to get some of this awesome product, you be sure and go to shinearmor.com and use the code TCC20 to be able to get your 20% discount. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.